हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, इन यंग्स डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट टू स्लिट्स एक्ट्स एज अ कोहेरेंट सोर्सेज ऑफ इक्वल एम्पलीट्यूड ए एंड वेवलेंथ lambda, right? In another experiment with the same setup of the two slits are sources of equal amplitude, that is a same wavelength is, but are incoherent. The ratio of intensity of light at the midpoint of the screen in the first case to that of the second, right, in the second case. So let us take the first case first case, that is the slits are coherent, where the coherent source is there. So in the case of coherent sources, the interference will take place and interference pattern will become. So here you can say interference will take place. Okay, so in this case interference will take place. So it is saying where it is saying at the midpoint of the screen. So hence the interference is taking place. So at the midpoint, right, as you all know, the constructive interference will take at midpoint, constructive interference. And wherever constructive interference takes place, the total intensity becomes 4 I naught, where I naught is the intensity of individual slit. So this becomes, so here the, so in this case intensity, or you can say like the resultant intensity IR, I am saying resultant intensity, that will become 4 I naught, where I naught is the intensity due to a single slit. Okay, so this I got for the first case. Let us try to work for the second case now. Right. In the second case, it is saying it is incoherent sources. So in the case of, right, since the sources are incoherent, so in the interference will not take place in this case. Right, interference pattern will not take place here in this case. So you can say here the I resultant will be simply the sum of intensities due to both the slits. So due to one slit the intensity is I naught, due to other slit the intensity is I naught. So that will be simply the summation of this. So that will be I naught plus I naught. So that becomes 2 I naught. Okay. So in the second it is coming to, so now it is saying what is the ratio. So from here I can say, and so this is the average intensity, right? 2 I naught will be averaged out because no interference is taking place in this case. So the ratio will become ratio of first case to that in the second case. So the first case is 4 I naught, and in the case of second case it is coming 2 I naught. So it will become 2 upon 1. So answer will be 2:1. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.